Okay, so I should have recorded from the beginning, but I am at Hemlock Bluffs. We're going to do a quick walk because the gate closes at 5:30. So here's a video. There we go. This is the east part of the park. You have to go down first. And then there's a nice loop down at the bottom. You come up. And then you do the west part, but I don't have time to do the west part today, so I'm just going to show you guys the east loop. This is one of my favorite quick parks to go to. I'm in the middle of running errands, doing homework. I got to go to the grocery store, which is right around the corner, so I figured since it's about 60 degrees today, I can squeeze in a quick walk, and then after this I can go do my groceries and continue with whatever it is I gotta do. So the thing with this park is that they have trees. There's a sign, the Bluffs, more than 200 eastern hemlocks, Suga canadensis, grow along the portions of the north-facing bluff system. This rare relic population of trees is far from the species' normal range in North Carolina mountains. Some of the larger trees are hundreds of years old. So we're not gonna get into the trees. I think that's definitely one of them right there. We're not gonna get into it right now. Wow, look at that nest over there. How big that nest is. Wow. Because we are pressed for time, so just gonna show you a little bit down there, and we're gonna keep going. All right, so here we go. I should have worn my what is it called, harness for my phone. Lots of trees down. Look at that. Pretty sure it's from the recent storms, but some of them were, it's like either naturally knocked down or maybe cut down to produce or encourage the new growth. This is doing a number on my knee, which means I have not been out in a while. Alright, here we are at the bottom of this section. This is the loop I mentioned at the beginning of the video. Swift Creek Trail. It's around some wetlands, so part of it is elevated. We're gonna keep going. Here we go. Enjoy the walk. And stretching our legs because I have not walked in a while. Only thing with this, because it's a preserve, there's no fishing allowed. That's okay. I'll get them one way or another. Lots of trees down. I'm gonna have to read about this. Maybe they're down from the storm. Actually, what it looks like, with all the rains and storms we had in the past week, it almost looks like this entire area was underwater. Because you see a lot of piling up of leaves and stuff. Yeah, I have a feeling all of this area was underwater in the last week that we had all those storms. Yeah, so you'll see the stairs here brings us up just a little bit higher, which means all of this down here must have been like a freaking pond. Look at that. Yeah, all of this was underwater. Yep. Flows right under here, comes out on this side, right through there, goes that way, over that way. Alright, moving on. And if time permits, I just might do this loop twice. My legs are feeling it from the lack of exercise. On the same token, this part where it's not the boardwalk, it's nice padding. It's good on your joints. And then of course here we are on a little bit of wood. And then the rest of the trail is nicely padded with the soil and the natural earthy textures. Good on your knees. So it's low impact walking. Do-do-do-do. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah. What a great tree. Look at that. Yeah, it was definitely underwater. Look at that. Hello. Yeah, that's usually not underwater. So they definitely had, you can see where they're starting to outline the trail and keep people from staying. They took some trees, some pieces of wood, logs to line the trail. All right, here we go. trail. Surprised there's no deer out here. Look at these trees. Holy cow. Pretty sure these are some of the trees they were talking about. Going up, 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 up. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Let's see. It's that one and this one. So, whoa. Let's keep going. Here we go. They're less than 70 years old. They're still big. Look at that. Look at this one right there. Even this one that I'm standing under. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Alright, let's keep going. Got the sniffles. There, you probably can see up ahead. Got a message. We made it. That's the full circle. It took us less than 15 minutes to do that circle, that loop. So here's the stairs. Of course, you guys saw at the beginning of the video how much we had to walk down. So here we are, back at the beginning, Swift Creek Trail. That's where we went off. We just came from up there. Just a friendly reminder that there's always time for a walk. So find it. Find your 15 minutes, take it, even if it's like on your way to the store or your middle of running errands. Park the car, go to Bushnell Park, loop the park once, get in your car, and leave. I still have to walk up to get to the parking lot, so I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.